So this is the unboxing of the video. By the way, check it out. Look who's in the background here. Believe it or not, it is the Jeebuses. It's Amber Jeebus, Jeebus, Baby Jeebus.
What are we doing here?
Where are we at? Where are we? Are we in the East Coast?
I have no idea. I think Virginia. It might be in Russia.
We're in Russia.
We're in Russia.
Russia. I've never been to Russia till just now. I think Alex took us there in his little moon ship. This is the unboxing for the unit that was broken into. It's everything. I'm at the flea market. Don't forget to like this video, hit the thumbs up, share this video, do whatever you can to share it. If you need to, run outside and find a lemonade stand for little girl sound and be like, hey little girl, I'll buy a lemonade only if you wash the storage option pirate. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't, but we'll only win when we find out. Anyway, on with the show. All right, so we're at the flea market and we're gonna go through the stuff from the one vault that we didn't finish. Robots here, a lot of toys, vintagey. Measlio, we got some Rumble robots. We got another Autobot. What is this? An Autobot. Look at that, your interactive toy. We got another Autobot. We got some of these Rumble robots. I don't know about these. I gotta look them up still. That's cute. More robots, ladies and gentlemen. I have no idea about any of these.
Hey, help me out, bro. Help me out. Wait.
Don't mind the interactive selling going on in the background, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Robo Sapien.
The fusion of technology.
The fusion of technology and personality. Some of us could use a little bit of that.
Robot collection?
I think so. A rad. Isn't the rad one a good one? I got like all robots, everything. Somebody was really into robots. Must have been their thing.
I used to have that one a long time ago.
Yeah.
I used to have a taco truck.
You make tacos?
I used to have taco truck.
I know, but do you still make tacos? Why don't you ever bring any for us? You know I love tacos. A lockbox. That's interesting. What do we got here? Oh yeah, we got hose. I think we saw these the other day. 3 hoses.
Did you get into it all yesterday, or just kind of observe what you got into?
The donkey.
On the horse thing?
Yeah. The burro.
It's very old. It's very well put together.
You know, and it's all there. Like,
It is a old harness, excellent condition.
150.
I want 70.
Smart money.
That one there?
Box.
I asked 15 on it.
feel it, Nacho.
$15.
Yeah. Do you see the change thing in there, Nacho?
It's a heavy one.
Look, there's a money bag. Oh, can I see a money bag?
Yep.
We need that, Scott and I. We put all the money in.
What'd you say, a strap or what?
Right here. Look.
Look.
Oh, that's for
You could be like the
coins.
ice cream
I
man.
know, but this is you. Like when they're all $80 and
I
you're
don't have
15
it.
cents.
Okay, we haven't disclosed the price to anybody on what we bought it for.
Is it over 1,000?
I can't say.
Oh, okay.
Because the reason being is YouTube is guessing now, and I don't want them to know. And what we're going to do is Scott had this cool little thing where basically we're going to hold every dollar we make in the unit in a bag, and at the end we're going to disclose how much was sold in the unit.
Cool.
It is. I think they're ceramic. You want to look at them?
Yeah,
The person liked robots. You can see how there's tons of robots, and if you look out in the boxes, they were into collecting robots.
Too bad they don't have any of the old antique ones. How much is this one?
That one
This
is
one's
5. Easy, don't compromise the integrity. Look at that, $24.95. That's so out of pocket.
Don't compromise the integrity. I love it, Mike. I love it. You are on top of the game.
Ooh, look at that one. Now that's a good one. We need to look this one up, ladies and gentlemen. 1982 ET and the spaceship launcher. Let's look this up. Actually, I have to finish unloading. If somebody out there right now can comment below, pirate, that's what that is worth. I would really appreciate that. If guns are outlawed, only outlaws will have guns. Amen. People don't never realize when they say, oh, we got to ban guns because no one will have them. That is the truth right there. Those who break the law will always have guns, and you will be without the ability to protect yourself. Please remember that, ladies and gentlemen. If you believe in the amendment number 2, comment below and say, I love my Second Amendment. If you don't believe in it, stay silent. What, Joe? It's the truth. That's one thing that bugs me because everybody thinks, you know, oh, we're going to outlaw guns and no one's going to get shot no more and this and that. And they don't ever realize the people that are doing the shooting generally aren't supposed to have them anyway, and they find a way to get them. What was that? What do you think about that?
It's one of those stick
Yeah.
drawers.
All this stuff that's in the front came out of one vault I bought, one pod, and I didn't have time to film it, so I set all the cool stuff aside, and I told myself I'll do this here at the flea market.
The Mexican art.
I don't think I'm going to get to all of it today. I already have too much out, and I don't feel like there's much customers. You like wearing them?
They're medium.
They're extra medium.
Well, whatever. Yeah, medium is.
Yeah.
I don't fit medium. Oh,
Those are some nice knives.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Thing out, but she is a buster, so she didn't show up today. Another rad. That's so rad. I don't know what any of these are worth. If anybody knows, I would really like some information. I've done a lot of different things since I started doing YouTube and other things I've done with like radio and TV and things I've did in the past. But recently somebody asked me for my autograph. It was possibly one of the most awkward things for me because I never imagined somebody's gonna say, hey, can I have your autograph? And we was on a live the other night, and all of a sudden somebody asked me for my autograph, and then several people started asking me for it. And so I told everybody, if you buy an I Love Lovers bracelet, one of those, boom, I love lovers. You know that's my motto, that's my passion, that's what the end result for everything I'm trying to do is to teach the world love by example and be the light in a dark place. So I came up with this idea, and I told everybody, you buy one of those bracelets and I will send you my autograph for whatever reason, because I donate all the money for those bands to a couple charities. One's the Big Brothers, the Big Sisters, I think it is, or charity, and the other is Team Lily, who's a woman who does parties for children who have terminal cancer. She throws birthday parties in hospitals, and I think ARF or ASPCA is another one I donate to. But every band, all the money goes to charity. But this is crazy. I never thought in a million years somebody would ask me for my autograph. Wow. It is Monday morning, and it's like before 5 a.m. It's so early, there are no birds out, and there are no worms. We's out getting our hustle, grind, and wind on before either of those two entities are up. And that is how success is formulated. You got to get up, get out there, and be doing something somebody's not doing yet. Because this world's fast. Everybody's doing something to get where they need to be. You want to take yourself to this level? Start doing more. Start going harder. Start working stronger. Start being smarter. And run with it. What do you guys say about that, baby girl? Nothing? Drink chocolate milk? Do you even have chocolate milk this morning? Do you even have a chocolate milk to drink? Ladies and gentlemen, she has extra chocolate milk. She's going to go extra hard today. That's what's up. Blessings. Monday morning. Blow kiss. What's in here, George? You sound like Uncle Michael right now. Here. 5 for both of those.
5? Okay.
George, you stopped going through this box. You're working my last nerve. This is all stuff from that one unit. I forget which one it was. The vault that was broken into. The lady had a little thrift store. Can you open them up, pull them out? Can you pull them out?
Yeah, man.
I would never talk about you, girl.
All the time.
And if I did, I'd make sure you heard every word of it. Ooh, it's fragile. Be gold. No, it's a VCR tape. Run back the tape in the VCR. Ooh, Caesar's Women Extravagant Duet. It's perfume. All right. I thought that was going to be a good movie.
His and hers bedside matching lamps.
Nice. So for me, they'd be like his and nobody's matching bedside lamps. Basically.
Where you got your band right there? I see no mark.
It'd be 15 for the boat. The fan is 8. So, this is the machine that I said was going to wait to see. It's a phonograph by Brunswick. It's got all the pieces. It looks like it's ready to play. I'm guessing 150, 200, perfect world. That's my speculation. I don't know what y'all think. Let me know. Does it work? Nope. Ooh, it did something. Look what we got here. A Royal typewriter. That looks nice. Yeah, leave the hats in the back there with the rest of the stuff. I got somebody coming to look at those. $10. What do you think about that, Jack? It's pretty nice. Huh?
Why don't you keep those Beanie Babies?
Where'd you change your shorts at?
Oh, Tony found me some shorts.
Where'd you change into them at?
Oh, in the truck. The second I went in the truck, some guy like walked up to me and he's like, "Got change for a 20?" And I was like, "Bruh, I'm trying to change my pants."
Wow. This is a nice outfit you have here, I must say. Like, I don't know. Your outfit's just...
I'm on fleek.
Are you going like hiking?
Not in this weather. My clown shoes. I'm really white.
You
I
are
need to wear
extremely white.
shorts.
You are extremely white. You get that from me. Here we are at the flea market. We got everything set up. Everything is set up. We got some good stuff. Flea market's gonna be closed this week on a Thursday and Friday, so it looks like I'm gonna have to go to Oakland tomorrow with this stuff. Maybe add some more stuff in. Our vintage clothes and hats.
I would never pierce my ears.
As soon as you're trying to get that big hole in here, I got a big hole you can stuff.
Look at that one.
Yeah. There you go.
Ever feel like punching
What's
yourself?
that one?
Older men need love too.
Are you calling me old?
No,
Oh,
your employees.
what's that one?
No, your hair's got
Oh, Bud Light. I remember I used to wear those when I was back in the 80s.
My hair never got
Who was that group that made those EP? You're unbelievable. That guy always wore one of those hats.
What happened?
What's that song?
Disneyland one's cool.
Yeah.
I think they worked the Bart.
Oh, that one is all you. It says mom on it.
I'm the mom of the year. You know it, girl.
It's pretty cool.
That one's cool too.
Yeah.
How much
All these have either clothes or hats in them. Film since I haven't really shown them.
Oh yeah. So today we have some Oakland Raider snapbacks.
Burn them.
Some Oakland Athletics.
That's a good one. I always got to represent my team.
Let's finish some see.
We're Niner fans over here. Okay, that's it for maybe the hats in there.
Chest congestion and cough. Yeah, not this morning. I have medicine for that.
Excessive
Headaches.
intensity.
Yeah,
I
this
don't.
is for the customers and people that don't know what the hell they want, and when you tell them the price 5-6 times and they don't listen. Yeah.
Okay, anyways.
I don't think the rest of those are hats. I think
Okay.
it's just hats on the top, I guess.
Some FUBU socks.
I give the Raiders a hard time, but I still like them. If it ain't going to be the Niners and the Patriots, then all right, I don't mind seeing the Raiders.
Yeah, but now they're in Vegas. I don't know what to call it no more.
I thought these shirts looked cool. I don't know. But they came from a vintage unit. The lady had like a thrift store, so I'm thinking I saw some sports shirts.
Okay. Yeah, some of them in here.
You're not gonna take 35 for the general?
The brand new in the box? No.
Okay.
40 would be the least I'd take. We need to make money, girl. We're not here. We're not here. We're not just because we're here for a good time doesn't mean we can't make some money.
Right? Georgia Bulldogs.
That's sporty.
Football team.
Your football team's the Raiders, huh?
Yes, it is.
I know it is. I see you in the Raider games with the jackets and your boys.
Everything. Now we get to go to Vegas and have double the fun.
Yeah. All right, I'll see you later. Do you plan on going to see the Raiders there a lot?
Oh yeah. Yep, we've already started looking into it. Airbnbs, timeshares.
Hotels are probably just the cheapest.
The Airbnbs are.
Oh yeah.
Actually, we've been looking at those.
Yeah, I found something.
Bro.
Mama, let a minute, what's in the bag?
We're not getting lucky in that one. Ooh, what is that? That looks like me almost.
Yeah,
Too
there you
small.
go. No, Mickey Mouse.
Ratchet. Ooh, unloading here at the flea market. Haven't gone through everything now that we're on the shelf, so I got to make some quick videos so you guys can see the rest of that unit that was broken into. But look at this baby right here. Right off the bat, if you know anything about cameras, you know Voigtlander's expensive. 35mm SLR camera. I already sneak peeked and I looked up what it's worth. I'm not going to tell you because I'm going to make you guys excited and have to do it yourself. But look this baby up and you will be like, wow, good score, Pirate. This one, not so hot, but that'll go on eBay as well. Got some lot of little interesting things here. Like that's what, $10 right there. You got a festive Christmas carousel. Got a little bit of Darth Vader. Be lucky to get 10 on that. I think you guys saw this PlayStation 1. What else have you not seen from that unit? Those came from that unit that got broken into, the $850 unit. Things like this, Mood Wave. I should almost keep those, but you know, I got so much ornament stuff. This is pretty neat right here. I don't know what it is. It says 125 on it. It's got some costume jewelry in it. It's a nice box. I don't know if that's silver right there. See, it has the brass showing through. It's probably silver painted maybe. I don't know what makes them want to sell it for 125. Mixer? That is a good question, Uncle Michael. That is called a Champion juicer. You see how you put the fruit in there? It's actually one of the best juicers. Rick used to sell these on Craigslist. Yeah, I need a special plug kind of, but Rick used to sell these on Craigslist all the time. They sell like hotcakes because you can actually get a sausage grinder for that and stuff, and it's actually a pretty well-made, pricey juicer. Here, great if you guys are out here making protein shakes. I got 2 of these brand new in the box. It comes with lots of little extra features.
You don't have to run to Starbucks.
You still go to Starbucks because you're addicted. Look, there's Harold. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Harold. The oldest flea market vendor in the world has made it. I don't know, that's Neil. That one right there is 5.
I'll try it.
The thought of the day is whether or not I want to keep these Mickey dolls or not.
How you been, Harold? Good. You been selling?
No business. I'm shit.
That's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system. It's simply how we've existed. Be an accountant because it's safe in the business.